In this example, the function my_func accepts an arbitrary number of arguments using the *args syntax. When the function is called with my_func hello world 123, it will print out each argument passed in hello world 123. In this example, the first two arguments are a and b, respectively. The *args parameter is used to capture any additional arguments that are passed in. When the function is called with my_func1, 2, hello, world, 123, the output of the code is. Note that the args parameter is always the last parameter in the parameter list, and it is always preceded by any required or keyword parameters. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.